You won't get more sales on Redbubble, but you don't know how. As a designer on Redbubble, it can be hard to stand out, yet that is exactly what you need to do to succeed. I know how hard it is to gain visibility on Redbubble, so you can get more people to see your designs. All it takes is a single visit to Redbubble to find out that there are plenty of designs that look just like yours already. You create something new, but it is immediately lost in the mix. It is super frustrating, and you feel like you are fighting an uphill battle with no end in sight. The best way to get your design ranking higher on Redbubble is to optimize the listing with tags. Tags are important because they give Redbubble an idea of what to expect in the listing. Redbubble is using tags to organize designs in searchable categories, and to get your design noticed, you need to learn how to use tags the right way. While there is a huge debate about what tag strategy you should use, I like to mention one of the most basic yet powerful methods to find tags that can get you sales. This strategy is simple. You need to spy on other people's design tags. And don't worry, there is nothing illegal with this method. Spying on your competitors is a widely used strategy to get traffic in the SEO world. It functions on a simple principle. Go ahead to Redbubble and click on any product category. Because the best-selling product on Redbubble are stickers, I like to open this category. Then type any keyword into the search box. For this example, I'm using sheep as a keyword. As you can see, there are almost 60,000 results, which is too high number. The key to success is to find keywords that will have 1,000 and fewer results. So we need to niche down and find a better keyword related to sheep. The first thing I like to do is to set the filter on the most relevant. While many people are setting this on best-selling, the most relevant is in my opinion showing your results with recent sales. These are selling designs on Redbubble. The second thing is to use tags that Redbubble is suggesting. Just open any of these tags to check if you found a keyword with lower competition. For this example, I want to use the keyword I found, sheep lover. In the next step, you need to open first designs that are related to the sheep keyword. For the sheep lover, I have opened these two designs. Now, I need to scroll down and see the tag section. I'm always looking for tags that are related to the keyword I want to rank but still have low competition. Here I found the interesting keywords, Kawaii sheep and Guinea pig and sheep. When I open any of these keywords, you can see that they have pretty low number of results. So, when I make a sheep design, I will include these tags because they can help me rank higher in the search results. It is not 100%, but I will have a good chance to get my designs noticed. The next design I have opened for the sheep lover keyword is this. And to be honest, this design is a gold mine when talking about tags. Just take a closer look at these keywords. Sheep mom, sheep for girls, sheep for women, for teens, sheep stuff, I love sheeps. This keyword combination have relatively low competition, and I would like to use all these keywords in the tag section for my sheep design. As you can see, this is a relatively simple method to find tags that can be used to optimize your design listings. I like to open at least 5 designs that are related to the keyword I want to rank and steal the best tags I found on these designs. I'm always creating design listings that are full of long-tail keyword tags with low competition. I'm also using one-word tags with higher search volume to help Redbubble categorize my artwork. The combination of tags with one keyword and tags with multiple keywords is in my opinion the best way to get more people to see your design. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want, then like, comment or subscribe. All your effort will be appreciated.